How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard, spell check or grammar check on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, scroll down, then tap on keyboard list and default. Next, tap on Gboard. Now in here, go down and tap on text correction. Then we scroll down. In the spelling and grammar section, tap on spell check toggle button to turn on or switch off spell check. And tap on grammar check to turn on or switch off grammar check. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.